This is the second video. In second video, we are going to learn polynomial of various degrees. First, linear polynomial. You can ask, what is the linear polynomial? A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. The formula of linear polynomial: if px is linear polynomial, then we can write px is equal to ax plus b. Ax plus b, where a and b are real numbers and x is variable. A and b are real number, x is variable. Such as examples: example 4x plus 3, 9x plus 2, 3 plus 4y, 6, 4x plus 6, etc. All of these are the example of linear polynomial which have 1 degree. We know that if we write x, we know that x to the power 1, but here power 1 is not written in any questions. This is real to write. This is not good method to write in any question. Such as if we write x 4x, then it is right. If we write 4x to the power 1, it is not a writing method. Always the power of variable 1 is hidden everywhere. Next, we have quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? A polynomial of degree is 2. A polynomial of degree is 2 called quadratic polynomial. We can also say a polynomial which has 2 degree of variable. The highest degree of variable 2. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. According to the definition, we can easily understand or classify or identify uh, quadratic polynomial. What is the value of quadratic polynomial? What is the quadratic polynomial? Let px is quadratic polynomial, then we can write, or we have formula ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are the real numbers. A, b and c are the real numbers, and a is not equal to 0, where a, b and c are the real number, but a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. So we can say this is the formula of quadratic polynomial, because the highest power of this polynomial has 2, highest power 2, and a is not equal to 0. Such as examples: 4x square plus 3x plus 4. In example first, the coefficient 4 is not 0, and this is the also value of a, and highest power of x square is 2 in this. So we can say this is the example of quadratic polynomials. If you have another example, this type, maybe this type: 4 plus 3x plus 9x square. Here, in every terms, has variables. Here variable x is hidden. Here variable x, which power is 1, which degree is 1. Here variable x, which power or degree is 2. First, second, third number terms has highest power, x to the power 2 or degree 2. So we can say this is the example of quadratic polynomial. We also know that quad means a square. It means a square, the value of quad. This is called the quad, means a square. So quadratic polynomial has degree 2. Next, cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. We know that cube means power 3. Cube means power 3, such as x to the power 3. We also say x cube. So cubic means a polynomial which have power 3 according to degree. A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Formula px. Suppose px is cubic polynomial, so we can write here ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c and d, these are the coefficient. A, B, C and D are the real number. A, B, C and D are the real number, and A is not equal to 0, which have the highest power. First term has highest power of the polynomial, so we can say this is the cubic polynomial. Such as example 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 9. In example first, we have the highest power of polynomial is 3, or the highest degree of the polynomial is 3. So this is the cubic polynomial. Another example, 9x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 5. In this example also, the highest power of the polynomial is 3, or we can also say the highest degree of polynomial is 3. So this is the cubic polynomial.